Okay, as you can see, this is a warehouse ambao mumeonyeshwa mumepelekwa all through round. This is a warehouse at Karatina. One of my clients by name by name okay. And tumekuwa hapa Karatina for 2 days. First of all, we delivered the cage. After delivering the cage, anaitwa Nicholas, thank you. After delivering the cage, this is a cage of capacity of 128 birds. After delivering the cage, my client did not have a warehouse, so we did the quotation of the warehouse and we constructed this warehouse. We have done it with 2 days. The warehouse is measuring 15 by 15. It have a capacity of 320 birds, that is equivalent to 3 cages. So as you can see, on top we have used iron sheet, side we have used ventilation wire mesh, and also on the other side you can see the ventilation, the wood and everything that we have used. What is remaining just to be the concrete. So if you are there, you are interested with this venture, you need quality birds, quality cages, construction of the warehouse at the minimum price possible, you just hit my number 0717 108 735. As I always tell you, disability is not inability, and whatever any other person can do on my side, I can do it better. So after a few days, I'll come back here with feeds and the birds ili muone the project how it is. God bless you. Tuwapatane kwa another video.